Hi. Hi from sunny, snowy Kirgistan. Let us introduce our craftspeople and introduce our workshop in Kirgistan. Yeah. This is Artur, our leather guy. Artur, на чем сейчас работаете?
Над кошельком оригами.
Great.
That's our younger wallet.
Yeah. That's how it looks. Let's go. This is Altanai, our new colleague.
Hi.
Altanai, what are you working on now?
Я воскую ткань для водонепроницаемости.
Cool. Yeah. This is Lydia. She's sewing the backpack for you. Really busy. Yeah. And Valera. Здравствуйте, Valera.
Здравствуйте.
How are you?
I am fine.
Cool.
What are you doing there?
The
I am drawing the tag for the top.
Okay, yeah.
Great, sounds great.
So he's making well, the head of the laptop, and the final product will then look like this, which with a little bit of luck will end up maybe in your hands from Kirgistan to Germany. Wir wünschen euch allen ein gesundes, frohes und fröhliches Jahr 2017. Und jetzt auf Russisch alle zusammen. 1, 2, 3.
С Новым годом!